Hello guys, welcome back to Technity. So today we'll be speaking about the concept called IoT, as Internet of Things. So basically I have a model here which basically measures soil, that is moisture in the soil, and sends it to Arduino. So what's special in that? So here I have used this Wi-Fi module which basically sends the data from the Arduino to the cloud. The cloud I have used here is thingspeak.com. Basically it's free with certain limited features, and also this data from the sensor will be transferred to Arduino and then from the Wi-Fi to the cloud, and I'll be able to monitor that data by my computer or from my mobile as well. So I can monitor the circuit anywhere, anytime, just by having an internet connection. And also it sends the real-time data to the cloud, and I'll be able to monitor all the data, and I can set the threshold. For example, if the moisture in the soil is greater than the threshold, I'll get a message in my phone saying that the water level in the soil has reached its threshold level, and to turn off the water supply to soil as well. And also by certain modification you can make a circuit such that when the water level is more than the threshold level, automatically water supply may be switched off. So without wasting time, let's get started.
So this is the circuit diagram, which is easy and simple to understand. So let's head on to connections. So after connections are over, before dumping the code on Arduino, head on to the thingspeak.com and create an account. Now create a new channel, give the name and description and also the field. Note that the one channel can store up to 8 fields, which is basically stand for 8 different data. You can customize your field. Make sure that you note your API key and copy it. Now after coding in Arduino, you have to give your own API key and also SSID as well as password of the Wi-Fi to which module is supposed to get connected. That's all. Now dump the code. Now go to your account in ThingsPeak. There you can see your graph like this for moisture with respect to time. As you put on water, the moisture increases as you can see in the graph. You can also set threshold level above which you will be receiving the notification on your Twitter or a message in your phone. I have set a threshold level of 94% moisture and kept sensor in a glass of water. The procedure is quite lengthy, so it is included in the report, for which link is provided in the description. So when the moisture level exceeds 94%, I will get an alert in my phone informing to turn off the water supply. Cool, right?
This was all about today's video guys. Please share and subscribe Technity for further technical video. Hope you like this video, and also please be free to drop comments in the comments box below, and also suggest the next circuit which I could do for you. So thank you so much.